May 1st, 2013. The mighty Moose Jaw River spills over its banks once again. Flood level is about the same as the spring of 2011. However, we haven't reached the crest as yet. In the distance you can see the flood river, the rapids going over the dam. And we'll take a short survey of this. You'll notice a new dog with us. Our other one passed away, and we've replaced it with this Havanese poodle, which is delightful. First time for it to see a flood. Okay, we have example of the flood spilling its banks here. This is normally a pathway that people walk their dogs on and go for hikes and other things. It's a little bit encumbered with water right now.